Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum has no limit on its total amount. Do you think this might be a downside to investing in the long run? Yeah, it's a great question. So in the 49 steps I teach you in my program, in my crypto course, there's a more up-to-date version of my MBA program too, about how to invest in a crypto. One of the most important things is looking at the supply. Now with Bitcoin, there's a dearth of supply. There's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin ever made by the year 2140. And that's a good thing, right? Because if too many shares are created, you get diluted. But when it comes to Ethereum, which I own and I have owned and I'm mining and I'll never sell, when it comes to Ethereum, there's technically no limit on the number of shares. And so what does that mean? Why would you invest in that, Chris, then? It goes against everything you teach in the course. Well, the reason why I love Ethereum is because I pride myself on, I've been a tech investor for decades in the hedge fund market, at Goldman, whatever, also in venture capital. I love investing in platforms, okay? Now, the best business models in history, okay, the tech ones at least, they're platforms. Facebook is a platform. I don't trust them, but they're a platform, okay? And they own the road. And on the road, you have a bunch of different cars, meaning users, that populate the platform. And it's like a toll booth. They charge them, even though Facebook doesn't make any social media content themselves. LinkedIn is also a platform, right, for jobs, etc. Although LinkedIn itself doesn't usually create much content. Apple is a platform, right? So Apple is a platform. They make money by charging people rip-off fees of 30% based on buying apps, etc. All platforms are great investments. And when I worked in venture capital, that's what I look for closely. I always look at companies that have platforms. Now, Ethereum is a platform too, because on Ethereum, this is how companies go public, so to speak, in crypto land, or ICOs. So when ICOs, initial coin offerings, occur, they occur on the Ethereum platform most of the time. Also, on the Ethereum platform, most NFTs you buy that are really based on the Ethereum platform. And so that's why it's the exception to my rule investment-wise.